Oh, so we're off to a mini surprise in St. Austell, Charlestown. It is go, 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 go. Look at the light green. My secret Santa surprise. Where is my secret Santa? There. He is driving. He is the insert of driving today. And I'm not driving. Are you excited with your surprise?
Oh yeah.
Sorry?
Don't know yet.
Are you feeling nervous?
Yes.
What about if the surprise is a beautiful and sexy woman? Do you like the surprise?
And I don't need to go there for that, do I?
Sorry?
I don't need to go somewhere for that. I could stay home.
Oh, you want to stay home rather than...
I could stay home for a beautiful, sexy woman.
Oh, I don't know what that is. We'll see. Let's find out what is the surprise in Charlestown. Stop smoking. My secret Santa is quite good. Very quiet. Not moaning. I'm hungry, secret Santa. I'm feeling hungry. We're in Truro now. Nearly there. Nearly there. It is St. Barres. My secret Santa is getting excited. Are you still not nervous?
Yes.
You are. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't feel nervous. You only feel nervous when it's close. when it's close, the venue. But what about if the surprise is gonna propose you a marriage?
I'm turning around.
What? Turning around?
Yeah.
Hope not. Stop! Go!
Oh yeah.
Not yet. What about if the surprise is sexy and beautiful and proposing you a marriage?
No marriage.
Don't know actually. That's alright, secret Santa. Vlogging you more later, alright? Okay, bye. Bye, secret Santa.